Today we're going to make host profiles in ESX version 4.0. First thing you need to do is open up Virtual Center, and then you're going to click on the Home tab. From the Home tab, you're going to click on Host Profiles. Up above, there's a brief description on what host profiles do, and then we're going to go ahead and click the link to create a host profile. Today we're going to be creating a profile from an existing host that's already pre-built, so we're going to click Next, and we're going to select that host. Today I will be using a Blade M610 Dell that we have pre-configured, and I'm going to go ahead and select that and hit Next. I'm going to give it the host profile a name. And the date that I created the host profile on. I'm going to go ahead and edit this to reflect the model of the Dell Blade server. And then I'm going to say Next. I'm going to review the information, the whole system, the name. I did not give it a description for this test. I'm going to say Finish. As you can see in the screen here, the host profile is being created. Okay, the host profile has been completed, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on it. If you click on the Summary tab up here, you can edit this profile. Also, in the Summary tab here, you'll have information about the host and what's configured. So we'll go and take a quick look at what's in a host profile. I'm going to click the plus box to have a drop-down menu to get the different criteria that we can change here. Most of these settings are defaults, and we'll leave it that way for this test. But as you can see, any option here can be changed for your needs. We use NIC teaming, and we use two NICs for that, a VMNIC 0 and a VMNIC 1. Also here you can set all your DNS information and configurations. There's a lot of different options here, and any one that you can change and set that will reflect in the profile that will be created for the new system that you're setting up. Okay, we're going to go ahead and close the options. We have the ones set that we need at this point. I want to say OK. Okay, at this point we can bring in a server and check the compliance against the profile that we just created. So I am going to add a server to test. So I'm going to click the attach host. You can also check this against the cluster, which is a group of servers in a cluster setup. Pull the Melville from. Pull another machine that's identical to this system. Okay, we're going to click on the machine, and then check compliance now. As you can see in the recent tasks, it's checking the machine against the profile that we created. And we get a check that says compliant. This machine has all those options set. Let's try to find a machine that doesn't have the options set, and let's see what the difference is here. So we're going to go ahead and attach another machine. And also test this machine for compliance. We're going to go ahead and click the check compliance now again. I have to click the machine and then click check compliance now. Okay, it did find under the compliance failures that one of the VLANs is not found, is not set up, and that VMNIC 3 and VMNIC 2 do not exist. The system just might not have those VMNICs set up, or it just may have more NICs than what's shown here. At this point you can apply profile appliance, so that will go ahead and make those changes for you, or you can manually change and add the VLANs or configure the NICs as needed. Okay, that will finish the demonstration for today, and that is building a host profiles in VMware 4.0.